Embrace the dawn of a new era in electric vehicles with the 2025 Ford Puma Gen-E. This captivating electric SUV will be introduced in Australia after its European premiere later this year. In Australia, only the Ford Puma Gen-E will be available for sale, replacing the petrol versions that were discontinued earlier this year. The Puma Gen-E will be Ford's most affordable electric vehicle in Australia, positioned below the $64,990 Mustang Mach-E family SUV. Certain Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers have a price range of $40,000 to $50,000, which may hinder their ability to compete. The Ford Puma, equipped with a gasoline engine, will make a comeback in Europe featuring a redesigned appearance. Its price range will be between $35,000 and $42,000. Electric versions are projected to have a minimum price increase of $10,000 compared to gasoline models. The recent espionage images unveil tiny discrepancies between the gasoline and electric variants of the Puma. The electric version will benefit from a closed-off front grille and a different lower front bumper, which will enhance aerodynamics. The electric model features alloy wheels, lights, and a back bumper that are similar to those of the petrol variant. However, it should be noted that certain components may undergo modifications during the production process. The electric Puma will include a 12-inch touchscreen, a 12.8-inch digital instrument panel, and a 2-spoke steering wheel similar to the petrol vehicle. The most recent iteration of the European Ford E-Transit Courier urban van will utilize the same electric powertrain as in the Puma Gen-E. The motor is located at the front and has a power output of 100 kilowatts and a torque of 290 Newton-meters. Romanian firms manufacture both the Puma Gen-E and E-Transit Courier using the same foundation. The driving range and battery capacity for both variants remain undisclosed. Keep yourself updated for further details regarding the 2025 Ford Puma Gen-E as its worldwide unveiling and arrival in Australia draw near. This electric SUV is a noteworthy model that is expected to provide both excitement and affordability to the electric car sector.